Like a turtle.
Like a turtle.
Smell it.
What's that?
Yes, these are the cans that go in it.
It's good for doing barbecue now.
Let's see. The handle and a pan. Another pan. Okay.
Big one. So throw away the small one outside. That's all already.
Well, the small one is charcoal, and this one is propane.
Oh, okay.
You look on this side, right here.
What's here?
Yeah. Look at that.
Electric, huh?
It's no gas.
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 Oh, gas.
And
where do you put the gas?
You put the gas. I've never used one, so I don't know.
So we can
I
bring
know
to
it
the
circulates
park.
here.
Yes.
It
We can
in
bring
here.
to the park.
Okay, this is the on-off. So that means the gas has to come
Where?
probably right here.
Here.
No, this is a switch.
Okay, you just read the instructions.
Yeah, I have to read the instructions. Here's right here, look. This is how you know. Because you turn the propane on here, right? And it hooks up to this. Okay, because it's brand new. So what's good about it is if it gets really cold and you have no power and you can't heat nothing up, you put the propane there and it cooks and it will cook.
We can bring anywhere.
I am trying to figure out.
Yes, we can bring
Where?
anywhere.
I mean, I'm not saying that this thing should. It's not going to cook like that. It's not going to cook like that.
Yeah, supposed to be there is a plate here.
Yeah, supposed
Where?
to. That is a good question. Maybe it's still in the box.
It was supposed to be put the rack there.
Well, yeah, there is supposed to be something there because you see the little thing here.
Nothing inside. Nothing inside here.
Well, let's look again. Let's set this down. Because it's still got some weight to it. So this. Let's put this down. Let's put this down. Yes! Oh, yes! This is heavy.
Let me see. Oh, heavy.
It is heavy.
Okay, can you try to put?
Let's see.
No need to remove first.
What do you mean no need to
You
remove?
just fix. Like that.
Like that?
Yeah. Okay, good.
Good.
Like it. You're fixing now.
And you just put the little Carter pins in it.
Only like that. Looks like not as strong.
That'll be good for now. See, the way the quarter pin works is one goes on the inside, one goes on the outside. Okay.
Go, Kelvin. Wow. Where is the plate? Nice one. You can bring at the park. Only half?
So you can see.
Ah. Wrong way? Okay.
Here we go.
Finish.
No, not finished. We want to put this,
Handle.
the handle.
Yeah. Beautiful.